Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Skyline, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. Let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes. What's more, I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box. You will be able to find all of the codes I'll present you today with some additional information and many more tutorials regarding this device. Alright, so let's start with the shortest codes. The first one is *06#. And thanks to this code we are provided with both the main numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and another code *07#, and here we've got the SAR information, so we can check the head and the body of our device. Tap on OK. And now let me show you another code, *#225#*##. And here we've got the calendar info, so here we've got all events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, holidays in your country, or events attached to your mail. Let's go back and let me show you another code. The next codes which I'll show you are technical. So let's start with the diagnostic information, *##426###. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so we can check the server host port and time connected. We can tap on events and check some further details. We can tap on the three dots icon, show advanced view, just tap on it, and tap on the status to check more information, just like the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. And the last code, *##4636###. And here we are in the testing mode, so we can check the phone information such as email number again, phone number, voice service, signal strength. Of course, you will be able to check the information if you've got your SIM card inserted. You can run ping tests here also. You can check usage statistics. Basically, here we've got the list of all apps and kind of processes which are currently on this device. You can check the last time use or usage time. And Wi-Fi information. You've got the API configuration and the status. So, for example, you can check the network state, SSID, or network ID. You can also run ping tests here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.